You may have heard that you should never touch mercury, but in a controlled environment, touching it for just a few minutes isn't harmful. Mercury only becomes dangerous with regular exposure because it can accumulate in our bodies. That's why, for example, the mercury that builds up in fish has to be monitored carefully. Mercury is also a very unusual element. For instance, you wouldn't expect just 2 milliliters of mercury to be heavy, yet it is surprisingly dense. The same amount of water would weigh only about 2 grams, but mercury is 13 times denser than water, so that same volume weighs around 25 grams. The reason mercury is the only metal that remains liquid at room temperature lies in relativity. Mercury atoms are very large, and their innermost electrons orbit so close to the nucleus, moving at such high speeds that relativistic effects become significant. These electrons behave as if they were about 20% heavier than normal, which pulls the outermost electrons closer to the nucleus. As a result, Mercury's outer shell acts almost like a stable noble gas, making